Do you want to get a high score in Jamb? You want to make good grades in WAEC, NECO? You want helps in your assignments and your university courses? You want to get very high score in your Jamb? There are three ways that we can help you with this. You can quickly get to our website www.jambwaecnecouni.com, where you can receive lectures that are tailor-made for your Jamb. We use the curriculum for Jamb to prepare these lectures. You can also buy our CDs. We have CDs that contains everything that you need for you to pass. This is for chemistry. This is what we have for all the courses. If you want to get these CDs, just simply call my number +23470671626. Then the third way that you can use in getting our lectures is by clicking on this very video that you're watching and clicking on the subscribe button. Once you subscribe to our channel, Tclassified.com, you'll be able to get all our lectures whenever we drop them. So if you want to be getting our lectures whenever we upload them to YouTube, please hit the subscribe button immediately. You can also go to Google Play Store so that you can download our app. Once you get to Google Play Store, just type Jamb WAEC NECO Uni. You'll see our app there so that you can download it. Once you download it, you can be able to use your smartphone, your Google Android phone, to be able to get our lectures from your phone. So that is it. We are currently running lessons for students that want to sit for all this. So if you want to take part in this and you're in Nigeria, simply call my number. So when you click on this very video that I'm using as advert, you'll see a link in the description part. You can see how to use our website www.jambwaecnecouni.com in order for you to solve your assignments and also get to learn things. Even if you're in the university, you can be seeing your school courses on the website. So for you to get high score, quickly check our website, get our CDs, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tclassified.com. This very video, click on it and click on subscribe. Once you subscribe, every time we drop a new video on past questions, Jamb past questions and everything, and other information that you need for you to make very good grade, or if you want to learn how to do programming as well, we teach all this in this our channel. Thank you.